Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. This is Jessica here, and I'm so excited to bring you on a walking tour of one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Rio. Let's take a breathtaking tour of the Ipanem beach. I'm walking through an exciting city full of rich culture and natural wonders. Right away, a wide array of sights and events capture my attention. From the majestic Sugarloaf Mountain overlooking the city to the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue atop Corcovado Hill. From the lively Porto Maravilha district filled with incredible architecture to the vibrant streets full of people, music, and food. Take a stroll with me down the colorful streets of the beautifully Ipanem neighborhood. Its stunning beaches and rolling waves create a truly unforgettable atmosphere. Browse the local markets here, shop for endless souvenirs, or explore the traditional Brazilian culture. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing vibes of one of the trendiest cities on earth. The crystal clear waters sparkle and twinkle like diamonds in the sun, bringing joy to all who explore this amazing place. As I come to the end of my tour, I hope you join me in my next adventure soon. Before you go, hit that like and don't forget to comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be the first to know about upcoming adventures. Thanks for coming along.
Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.